Namaste.
Namaste.
I have attended almost 90% classes because two classes I could not attend due to some obvious problems from my side. I am sorry for that. But the course content and Madam Mamatha has done a very good presentation, and she has handled the class extremely very good. I am thankful because the class has imbibed the habit of writing and then reading the Shabdarupas, which we could not on our own can do this, that the class does the same by writing and reading it. I am very thankful for the same.
Dhanyawad.